My dear children, in this fourth module, we are going to study the important terms of issue of debentures. The procedure for the issue of debenture is very much similar to the issue of shares. A prospectus is issued in which the terms and conditions of the issue of debentures are given. Applications on the prescribed form are deposited with the company's bankers along with the application money. Full amount of debentures may be called by the company on the application itself, or the amount may be called in the installments, as in the case of shares. If the amount of debenture is called in installments, some amount may be called on application, some amount on allotment, and the balance may be called on the one or more calls. Just like shares, debentures may also be issued either at par or at premium or at discount. However, there are no restriction on the issue of debentures at discount, whereas shares can be issued at discount only after observing certain legal formalities. The face value or nominal value means it is determined by the company and mentioned on the face of the debenture certificate. Then issued price means the price at which debentures are issued by the company. Then issued at par means issue price equal to face value. Then issued at premium means the issue price more than the face value. Suppose the face value of the share equal to 100, then company decided to issue shares at a premium of 10, then issue price equal to 110. Then issue at discount means issue price less than the face value. For example, a company decided to issue debentures at rupees, the face value of shares of 100 rupees, but decided to issue shares at rupees 90. That means these debentures are issued at discount. There is a discount of 10 rupees. Then next we are going to study the important journal entries to be passed in the book of the company at the time of issue of debentures. While journalizing, first we have to write the journal entry for receipt of application money. Just like shares, at the time of receiving application money, the journal entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application account. Narration being the receipt of application money on it may be 10,000 debentures at the rate of 20 per debenture. This is the journal entry for recording application money received. Then second step is transfer of issued debentures application money to debenture account. The entry will be debenture application account debtor to debenture account. Suppose ABC Limited decided to issue 10,000 debentures to the public, but the subscription received for 12,000 debentures and the application money equal to 20. Past necessary journal entry. In that step, first we want to write the journal entry for application money received for 12,000 shares. The entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application account 12,000 into 20. Then second step, transfer of issued shares application money to debenture account. The company decided to issue only 10,000. So the amount transferred to journal entry equal to debenture application account debtor to debenture account. How much will be the amount? 10,000 debentures into 20 rupees. After passing this journal entry, next we want to pass the journal entry for allotment money due. The entry will be debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. The amount transferred will be the number of debentures issued, that is 10,000 into allotment money of 30. Next step is to pass the journal entry for allotment money received. The entry will be bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. The amount transferred to this journal entry will be number of debentures issued into allotment money. If there is any excess application money received by the company and that excess application money adjusted with allotment money, in that case we have to deduct that adjusted amount from the total amount to be received. For example, in this problem, there is an excess of 2000 debentures application money within the hands of the company. That application money should be adjusted with allotment money, that is 2000 debentures into 20 each, that is 40,000 rupees adjusted with allotment. The actual amount to be received equal to 10,000 debentures into 30, that is 3 lakh rupees. At the time of receiving allotment money, we have to deduct that excess application money from the total amount to be received. Then next we want to pass the journal entry for first call money due. The entry will be share first and final call account debtor to debenture account, being first and final call money due on 10,000 shares at the rate of 30. Then next last entry will be bank first call money and second call money received. Entry will be bank account debtor to share first and final call. The amount transferred will be the number of debentures issued into final call of rupees 30, being first call money received on 10,000 shares at the rate of 30. Sometimes there may be calls in arrears. A shareholder may fail to pay first call money of 100 shares. In that case, the amount transferred to due entry, due on first call, equal to 10,000 shares into 30, that is 3 lakh rupees. Then at the time of receiving first call money, the amount transferred will equal to, or the amount will be 10,000 shares into 30, that is 3 lakh rupees, minus calls in arrears of 100 into 33,000. The actual amount received equal to 90,000. 3 lakh rupees minus how much? 3,000. That is 2,97,000. This is the actual amount of first call and first and second call money received. At the time of journalizing, first we have to write the journal entry for application money received. Then second step is transfer of issued debentures application money to debenture account. Then third step, if there is any excess application money within the hands of the company, adjust that application money with allotment. The entry will be debenture application account debtor to debenture allotment account. Then next we have to write the journal entry for allotment money due. Then write the journal entry for allotment money received. Then last two entries are first first call money due. Then last entry is first call money received. These are the journal entries to be passed in the book of the company at the time of issuing debentures. Thank you.